being really quiet because
we're gonna prank Olivia.
we're going to prank Olivia today.
Yes.
So we're going to have to be really careful how we do this.
Yeah.
So we had an idea, guys.
Can I explain?
Yeah, go on.
Well, the prank is that, see these Wellingtons?
So these are Olivia's Shimmer and Shine welly boots.
Yeah.
And we thought if we could hide some slime inside.
Look at these colour slime.
Problem is, it's really hot outside today. You can see that sun beaming in.
So, like, will she refuse?
So she might refuse to wear her wellies, which could be a problem. But we're going to try it.
But we're going to try it and see if she falls.
See if she falls for it, okay? So maybe, right, what we're going to have to do, so we've got this slime, to get the wellies.
Okay. Oh, it's not supposed to have slime in the room.
Well, slime is normally banned from bedrooms, but today
Because Island and Olivia spilled some slime on that carpet.
they got it everywhere.
Yeah. Okay, so this is the Wellington that we're going to put it in. Be careful because, okay, be careful. All what we need to do is put that in that Wellington.
We need to kind of try and get it to go near the front though.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Because, like, we don't want her to know.
Right.
Okay.
Shake it to the front.
There we go, it's actually at the front.
Is it? So you can't see it?
Look.
Oh, good.
That's
This
good.
might work really well. Okay.
But, like, where's the colour? Oh, she can't really tell.
You can't really see it.
But we need to make sure that she faces her head like that because she couldn't see it from this angle. Oh no, she can't. It's probably.
This might work really well, Ava.
So let's put that on the ground.
Okay, let's open the other one.
Can I pour it in?
Let's hope she doesn't come in here right now. I'm gonna go and check and see where.
I'll just stand guard by
She
my
was
door.
watching TV a moment ago.
Yeah, she was watching TV on YouTube. Because
She got some YouTube on the TV.
yeah, and I'm just gonna stand guard by my door. You know, like if she comes up, I'm like, don't come in here because I'm trying to play Roblox. I'm like, alright, something like that. This is the Wellington that we're going
okay.
to put the slime in.
You ready?
Yeah, I am so ready.
There it goes.
Wow.
Let's move it to the front.
Oh yeah, I don't think you can tell that the slime's in there.
Right, Ava.
Yeah.
This is the next part of the Operation Prank
Go.
Baby Sister Olivia.
Yeah.
So we're going to go downstairs and say we're just going to go in the garden. Do you want to just come with us and just throw these wellies on?
Yeah.
And let's see.
No, she can see.
Just say we're filming a video in the garden or something. Okay.
We're filming a video in the garden. We need to make sure that the slime's like well back.
Yeah, at the front.
Because like if she sees him, she's definitely gonna know something's up. And that she can see the slimes in there. She's like, I'm refusing to wear these wellies. I'll just wear my sandals.
Right, come on, let's go.
Alright, so my job is to convince her to come outside with me.
Just say we're all going in the garden to film a video.
And it'd be alright if you have the camera because we're doing this garden video.
Okay.
Pearl, do you think she'll fall for it?
Let's go.
They will. No one's you. Stay up here for a minute. And
No, and I want to go down with you.
alright, she's in there. That's me.
You okay, Olivia? We're going to go in the garden and film a video, okay? Do you want to put your wellies on? Right.
Wellies on, wellies on, wellies on.
You okay? You got chocolate around your mouth?
Yeah, I know it's slime.
You what?
I know it's slime because I see it.
You did it!
What?
Have you got chocolate around your mouth?
I don't feel anything.
What is in your welly boots?
I know it's slime.
How did you know?
Because I just saw it because it was melting down.
Oh, you didn't fall for it. This is a slime welly boot fail.
Guys.
Because I just saw the pepper as well.
Oh, how did you see? Is it kind of? I bet it's kind of nice.
Yeah.
Have you been eating cookies?
Yes, I ate it.
You ate 4 cookies.
Oh, there's nerds in this sofa.
And have you been eating nerds?
Yeah, us two have.
How did you see it?
Because It was starting to melt down the
Can you
side.
show everyone what you did at school yesterday? Look, you fell over, didn't you?
Well,
What's it like having squelchy boots? I can hear it. Slime boots.
I could get these off now.
I bet it's nice and cool actually because it's so hot out today.
Come on.
Did it not even attach to your foot?
I got this off.
And it didn't even stick to your feet?
Nope. It slid off me because I just saw it because it was going to go all the way down here.
So does this mean we can't prank you? Because
No.
you'll always find us out.
Yes. Of course.
This was a fail.
This was a failed prank, guys.
Hi.
This was kind of a fail today,
Yes.
but it was kind of fun. We kind of had a bit of fun doing it, didn't we?
Yes.
We'll get you.
Next time.
See you next time, guys.
Bye. On Family 3. Signing out.
Looking for more fun from Fun Family 3? Why don't you click on the links below?